Hello everyone, this is Jason from Iron Mission. We got to fix one thing with the Pan America. I'm getting it ready for a longer ride. This needs to be fixed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. My big issue right now are these little guys right here. These were from Adventure Bike Pegs. I've had them for about a year, and I would say don't buy these. Don't make the same mistake that I did. These things are tiny, absolutely tiny, and they are not very good for a highway peg for the Pan America. In fact, you're just better off not having anything. And the reason why I say that is, one, the way that they are fastened here, they're pretty small screws, and so they don't move around that much, but I've never felt like I can put any kind of weight on these things without them loosening up. The other thing going on here is these are really, really skinny. And so when you're putting your feet on here, and I don't have big feet, I'm 5'9", you know, so it's not like, oh, I've got size 14 feet. I don't. I've got average size feet, and these things are so skinny, and they don't give you really any surface area to put your feet. Your feet are constantly feeling like they're slipping off. I have tried every position for these things known to man. I've put them up here, turned them so that this part is facing up. I've put them up here, down here. It just doesn't matter. I flipped them upside down. It really doesn't matter. This grippy part here is never sitting exactly where it should, and it's so thin. I mean, look, it's a finger width thin, and they're just useless. They're completely useless on the Pan America. I don't recommend them at all. So, got to fix this because I want to be able to stretch out when I'm riding this bike, especially if I'm going to be taking it on longer rides. And so the way that I fixed it, let me show you over here, are these foot pegs. I will put a link in the description below for these. They're going to be much, much better. My buddy's had on his Pan America for the last couple of years. Absolutely loves them. These are AeeDea. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They're actually made in India. They ship from India. Do not let that scare you. They showed up exactly when they said they would, approximately the same time as they said they would on the website. Really think these are going to be a lot meatier. They're going to connect in 2 points, much larger foot position, grippy. My buddy absolutely loves these things. I'm going to get them on there. I'm going to show them to you, but this is really, I think, what you need. And for the price, I think they were right around the same price. Those ones that I showed you before they're on the bike were like 175 bucks. I think these were around the same. So it's like for around the same price, you're getting something that's fully adjustable, by the way, like the other ones were not. So I don't see why you would choose anything but these, but let's go get them on the bike. All right, everybody, so I've got the left side on. I'm going to show you how to do this because it's the same thing on the right side. A couple things to keep in mind if you're using this brand of highway peg. There are two different diameters here. This is going to be for the skinnier part of the down tubes for the Pan America. That one is going to be for the wider, so just make sure you get that right from the start. Otherwise, it's going to be a little bit aggravating. The nice thing is this is a fully adjustable highway peg, and so assembling these things and getting them on the bike is going to be super easy. Tools you're going to need, you're either going to need an adjustable wrench. I definitely prefer the box end wrenches. You're going to need a 10, a 13, and a 17 millimeter. And then in terms of your T's, you're going to need a T25, a T30, a T40. I would definitely use some Loctite. They give you some red Loctite. I just like to use the blue Loctite, so I've got some of that. And then, of course, you're going to need a wrench a socket wrench just to get these things to work. So that's the tools you're going to need. This is a really simple process. Let's go take a look. All right, I found it easier just to take these parts off completely and put them on the actual down tubing, just because you're not dealing with this big heavy piece. So take these off. They unscrew. Take them off and then put them on the frame directly first. All right, so I did the small one first because it's a really good guide. I'm basically using this notch right here. It kind of just rests right down here and then just automatically stops. And as long as this hole is pointing straight out, it's going to be just fine. I already blue Loctited it down because, like I said, I did the other side. You're going to be able to adjust these things forward and back and up and down anyway. So I'm not super worried about it. It's going to be pretty much the exact same position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one off here, put it right here, same exact thing. Just going to make sure these holes are facing out and it will go together just fine because you've got adjustability here, right? You've got the ability to slide these things, this bracket back and forth and everything. So it's really not that big of a deal. All right, so I've got these two in. Like I said, this is just This bolt here is a T30. On the back side, you've got a 10mm box end, open end wrench that I just used to hold it all down. They're basically in place. I used that as a guide for the front and then kind of matched them up so that they're even in the back. The actual highway peg here is just going to fit right in like that, so the holes match up on both sides. And then the rest of this is fully adjustable, so you can put it wherever you want, and I'll show you that in a second. But now I just got to go ahead, blue Loctite those two bolts into here, and then adjust it based on where I want it. All right, so here's the beauty of these compared to what I already had, those little tiny skinny highway pegs. So this is all bolted down. I mean, it's blue Loctited in, it is in there. But the nice thing is I can adjust this screw right here. There is a little bolt back here. I can pull this out, and this whole thing can slide forward, or towards the rider or away from the rider. And then this fully pivots as well. And so you can adjust that. And so as long as you've got this in a relatively decent spot, what I'm going to do based on the left-hand side is I'm going to slide this bolt back here. I found that when it was pretty much like right in between this open area, it was in a really good spot in terms for me, for my height. You might be different. You're going to probably be different unless you're 5'9", and you can adjust them wherever you want. You can see here, we have all these adjustment holes here. And so as soon as you pull this one out, then you've got the ability to adjust it back here, move it up or back. And again, it's really pretty straightforward. All right, so there you have it. We've got a much sturdier, much meatier foot peg than what I had on here before. Wish I would have just done these in the first place. I'm going to admit, just having the stuff shipped from India was kind of a hesitation for me. I had no problems. My buddy had no problems getting these pegs. They take a little while. They might take 3 or 4 weeks, but well worth it. Fully adjustable, and look at the size of this footrest here. It's going to be 3 times the size of what I had, and that when you're taking this bike out for long periods of time, that's really what you want. Nice and grippy here, and so yeah, this is a far superior feel than what I had before. It's a lot more comfortable on the road when we're going on those longer rides. Highly encourage you. I'll put the link down in the description. If you've got a Pan America or you've just got an ADV bike, adventure bike, and you're looking for something where they're going to be usable highway pegs, this is probably the way you want to go. So as always, thank you so much for being here. Ride safe, everyone.